Pain Free Project, the three major tenets of all of our programs are exercise, soft tissue, and educational videos. The exercise videos are first and foremost backed by the highest quality research to make sure that what we're giving you is going to help you get out of pain. These exercises are a combination of both flexibility or mobility exercises and strengthening. So we get you moving and then we strengthen that area to make sure that the pain doesn't come back. Second, our soft tissue videos are really geared towards loosening you up and getting you feeling better. Our approach to this is that we know that pain is a sensory and emotional experience. By doing different soft tissue work with foam rollers or different soft tissue tools, it's going to change that sensory and emotional experience that you feel, reprogram, realter, give us a window to then do exercise afterwards to hopefully have some prolonged, sustained changes. And then finally, the education videos. Well, we know knowledge is power, so if you understand what triggers your pain, what makes it better, what makes it worse, identifying those factors can first allow you to manage your pain in the present and then get out of pain in the future.